Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside settings because the only reliable way to change the battery percentage is the system control. Tap settings, then scroll to battery or battery and performance. Once there, make sure the device is powered on and not in low power mode. Low power can hide some options. You do this to access the system level toggle that the OS provides. Apps cannot change the indicator. After you reach battery settings, pause and look for the battery percentage option to proceed. Now enable the display by flipping the battery percentage toggle. On iPhone, tap battery and turn on battery percentage. On newer iPhones, you can also swipe down Control Center to view it, but the settings toggle controls persistence. Once done, the percent appears next to the icon so you see exact numbers. Make sure to exit settings. The change is immediate. You're using the OS setting because it updates in real time and prevents stale or inactive. Finish by confirming the percent shows in the status bar or control center. If it doesn't appear, reboot the device to force the UI to refresh. That resolves most glitches. If rebooting fails, make sure your OS is up to date, and on Android, check system UI settings or reset app preferences. Sometimes custom launchers hide the percent. If nothing helps, a quick software update or reverting custom UI tweaks will restore the built-in percentage display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.